Capital is the coin. Investment is the planting.
Capital is what you already have. Investment is what you do with it. A farmer may own seeds, but if he never plants them, nothing grows.
If you leave savings idle, inflation eats them away.
He owns land, seeds, tools. That's capital. But if he never plants, nothing grows. They raise money. That's capital. But if it sits in a bank, no product, no growth. A nation may have oil, minerals, forests. That's capital. But without industries, it stays raw. You have savings. That's capital. But if it sits idle, inflation eats it. Capital feels safe. Investment feels risky. That's why people cling to capital.
Capital isn't safe forever. It melts. It shrinks. It erodes. It erodes.
Company A invests in research. Company B hoards cash. Company A grows. Company B shrinks.
The farmer tills the soil, waters the crops, and invests his capital.
They hire a team, build a product, launch marketing. Capital becomes growth.
Resources only shine when invested. Roads, schools, factories. Resources become industries. Industries become prosperity.
She invests in education, skills, or business. Her capital grows.
Capital alone is silent. Investment gives it a voice. It grows.
Capital is a locked door. Investment is the key. Only when you unlock it does growth begin. Capital is potential energy. Investment is kinetic energy. Only when you release does the arrow fly. Capital is the coin. Investment is planting. Capital is the toolbox. Investment is building. Capital is the bulb. Investment is the switch.
Your savings, skills, and time are capital. But if you don't invest them, they shrink. Unused capital is wasted capital.
Next time you see money, land, or skills, ask yourself, am I just holding capital or am I investing it?
Capital alone is silent. Investment gives it a voice. It multiplies.
Look at your capital strengths: money, skills, time, ideas. Ask, how will I invest them today?